One of my absolute favorite things to do once a piece is cured is to remove the drips. So that's what we're going to do in this video. So remember how we put the wax on the back of the wood panel? This is where it comes in handy. So I'm going to use my heat gun. I've got my narrower tip on there just to direct the heat a little bit more. And I'm going to heat up the drips, and then I'm going to use a retractable razor scraper to remove them. So it'll take a little bit for it to start because the heat gun is cold. Once we start getting going though, the heat gun will be hot and I'll be warming up the drips beside it, so it'll go a little bit quicker. And they just come right off as easy as that. See how that one went much quicker than the first one? Another thing you could do if you wanted was use liquid latex on here before we started, and then do the same process and just pick them off instead of using the razor scraper. And then just make sure that when you're doing it though, you're careful where your arm is, because you don't want this to accidentally go and then hit yourself in the arm. And by go, what I actually mean is slip. And there we go. Within minutes, all of our drips are off the back here. If you wanted, you could take some of your black paint that we used to base coat our piece and put it on the back here just to make a pretty back. I typically do these things just to hang in my own house, so I don't do that. But if I were, say, to sell it or to give it to someone, I might make the back look a little bit pretty. But there we go. All of the drips off of our piece.